How to fix invalid OAuth2 redemption code. Error invalid OAuth2 code. Hello friends, you might face this error code when trying to authorize login process. Follow the steps to fix it. First of all, try to log in again. Fill up the username and password and click on sign in and see if it works. If the issue still persists, use the authorization code quickly. After filling up the username and password, when you click on sign in, a code is generated and sent to your email account. Go to the email account, copy the code and enter the code here quickly, ideally within 5 minutes. The next method you can try is clear cookies and cache. Sometimes the browser sessions store invalid tokens. Clearing them can help you. For this, click on 3 dots, select delete browsing data. Here select all time and check all the boxes. Then click on delete data. After deleting the data, relaunch the browser. And try to sign in again. We would suggest to log into your email account previously to get at the authorization code quickly. If the issue still persists, then sync your clock. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on Time and Language, go to Date and Time. Make sure that Set Time Automatically is turned on. In the Additional Settings section, for Sync Now, click on the Sync Now button. If the error code still appears, you can try another browser such as Firefox or Microsoft Edge. Complete the login process and see if the issue is fixed. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.